Right guys, it's Tagmond Tech. If you've ever watched a streamer seamlessly switch scenes, mute their mic or trigger animations at the press of a button, you've probably seen one of these, the Elgato Stream Deck. But here's the thing, you don't have to be a streamer to benefit from it. The Stream Deck MK.2 is much more than a broadcasting tool. It's a customizable control pad that can automate everyday tasks, manage your smart home and transform how you interact with your PC, whether you're editing, working or just enjoying your setup. Today we'll unbox it, set it up, explore the software and answer one simple question. Is the Stream Deck worth buying even if you don't stream? Inside the box, Elgato keep things clean and minimal. You'll find the Stream Deck itself, a detachable USB-C to USB-A cable, a weighted stand and a brief set of documentation, and that's it. No unnecessary extras, just the essentials. The MK.2 feels premium. The 15 LCD keys are bright, crisp, and the matte housing resists fingerprints better than before. The stand gives a real desk presence, sturdy and elegant and just heavy enough to stay put while you're tapping multiple keys quickly. The detachable USB-C cable is one of those small but meaningful upgrades since the last version. It makes cable routing far easier and lets you replace or reroute wherever you like. The new stand's a big improvement. It's a single fixed angle weight base with 45-degree angle. It's much more stable than the older version. You lose a bit of flexibility, but you gain reliability. And then there's the personalisation. The MK.2 supports magnetic, interchangeable faceplates, letting you swap designs or colours to fit your desk theme. Whether you're going for that stealth black, white aesthetic, or something that matches your RGB lighting. Straight out the box, it feels like a professional piece of kit, something that you proudly keep on display, not hide behind your monitor. Setup is refreshingly simple. Plug it in and it powers on instantly and shows a bright grid of customizable keys. You can even have a welcome screen when it powers on. When you install the Elgato Stream Deck software, available for both Windows and Mac OS, the interface is intuitive. You just drag an action from the sidebar and drop it onto the key. That action could be almost anything: launching an app, opening a folder, controlling your audio, running system command, even sending a sequence of keyboard shortcuts. Each key can hold a single action, a multiple action sequence, or a folder containing multiple new pages of keys. So even with just 15 physical buttons, you can create an effectively limitless number of virtual shortcuts. You can assign custom icons and animations to each button display. Not only is this practical, but it's fun to personalise. Having your symbols or artwork for each task is a sense of polish to your setup. Another feature that's genuinely clever is automatic profile switching. Open Chrome and your browser shortcuts will appear instead. It makes your device feel context aware, adapting to whatever you're working on at the moment. For anyone juggling multiple applications, this feature saves time. Physically, the Stream Deck MK.2 feels redefined. The 15 LCD keys are the highlight, sharp and bright and smooth to press. Each has a soft tactile click. It is easy to distinguish without being loud or distracting. The spacing's just right, comfortable, accurate and quick to navigate by feel. The chassis has a clean matte finish that resists smudges. I've got the white version so you can't really see that anyway, but the overall build feels durable and sustainable and it doesn't slide or flex under pressure. 45-degree angle is meant to be ideal for visibility. I feel like at that angle, just for my own setup, it's a little bit off, and the bottom of the buttons do disrupt the image. Overall, the design feels like Elgato has matured the Stream Deck from a niche streamer's gadget to a polished desktop accessory that belongs in any modern workspace. Compared to the original model, the MK.2 isn't a radical redesign, it's a thoughtful evolution. Here's what's new versus the old model. You get a detached USB-C cable instead of a fixed cable from the original, the customizable magnetic faceplates for personalisation, a sturdier, weightier stand that holds the deck securely, slightly redefined button feel, and a backward compatibility with older mode profiles and plugins. So while the experience remains familiar, every detail has been subtly improved. If you own the original Steam Deck, this upgrade is about refinement, not reinvention, but for new buyers, the MK.2 is absolutely the version to get. Now let's talk about what the device really earns its place, the automation. The Stream Deck's plugin ecosystem has grown far beyond OBS and Twitch. Today it sports a huge range of apps and smart devices, making it as relevant for productivity and home automation as it is for streaming. Take Govee, for example, one of the most popular lighting systems on the market. The third-party plugins or API integrations, you can map the Stream Deck keys to control your Govee lights directly. This means you can toggle on and off your lights, adjust brightness, cycle through colour scenes, or even trigger a full lighting routine with a single press. I've set one button to activate a particular mode. Press it once and my Govee lights dim to a cool orange tone. Spotify can start a concentration playlist, and all my apps open automatically. It's a single physical key that can instantly transform an entire mood and the function of my workspace. And it's not just Govee you can control. Philips Hue, Nanoleaf, smart plugs, or anything that supports basic automation controls. The Stream Deck essentially becomes a command center for your desk, a tactile dashboard that gives you instant visual control over your environment and workflow. Even for general productivity, it's brilliant. You can match system commands, open folders, paste email templates, or launch multiple apps at once. You start thinking it's a simple shortcut pad, but the more you use it, the more indispensable it comes. Of course, it's not perfect. First limitation is probably the price. The Stream Deck MK.2 usually sells for about £150 or $150, which isn't cheap. For light users, it's a tough sell, but if you generally use it every day, it earns value quickly. Second, setup time. It's easy to use, but unlocking its full potential does take a bit of effort. Designing your icons, mapping your workflows, and refining and fine-tuning your automation sequences can take an evening or two to perfect. To be honest, it's an ongoing task. Third is the 15 key limit. It's enough for most setups, especially as this review is rarely angled at non-streamers. But if you're someone who thrives on large macro layouts, you'll find yourself creating folders of multiple pages. Thankfully, the profile switching makes this fairly seamless. And lastly, the fixed angle stand. It's stable, but if your desk height or posture demands a flatter, steeper angle, you'll need third-party mounts or risers. So I'm a bit of a sloucher in my chair, so the angle, like I said, is slightly off. These are small compromises in an otherwise well-executed product, but they're worth keeping in mind just before you buy. So do you need to be a streamer to fully justify owning Stream Deck MK.2? Absolutely not. The Elgato Stream Deck MK.2 is at its core a beautifully engineered, endlessly customizable control surface. Whether you're managing smart lights, automating daily tasks, or streamlining creative workflows, it delivers a level of confidence and control that few other devices can match. It's well built, looks fantastic, and the software support continues to expand well beyond streaming, and the simplicity of the software is outstanding. It's not just a device for creators, it's a productivity tool for anyone who values efficiency and polishes their setup. If you love clean workflows, organised desks, and desktops on your computer, the tech quietly delivers to make your life smoother, and the Stream Deck MK.2 will fit right in. Yes, it's an investment, but one pays off every time that you use these glowing keys. Plus, at the end of the day, it looks cool. You don't need to be a streamer to have a Stream Deck. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you're new here, consider subscribing for more concise tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and as always, this is Tagmond Tech, helping you get the most out of your tech that you already love, and I'll see you in the next one.